So, welcome to the D Life. Myself, Dr. Jasmeet. So, we are live again with another success story of a client from Iraq, Sanjay Srivastava. So, D Life have come up with several podcasts in the past, and we have several podcasts with our clients, and some of them with the low carb experts from the different parts of the world. So, the aim of D Life is basically to aware and educate the people about LCHF, because LCHF, it is like a tool which everybody should use in order to either prevent or in some cases even reverse the different kind of metabolic disorders like diabetes, hypertension, PCOS, obesity, and there are many more symptoms also that come along as a side effect of all these disorders. So anybody who want to have an access to our live streams, they can join or they can also upgrade with us at www.dlife.in, or you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, now people, they everybody now knows about LCHF, but they still doubt on it because what they feel is like it is not practically applicable within the Indian community. Though DLife has already reported more than around 300 success stories of people who are well managing their different disorders with the help of LCHF lifestyle. But still, generally, I have seen that the people come and ask question, is it really applicable within India? So within Indian community, so you can visit and see the different kind of success stories, and people are coming from the different parts of the world. Okay, so now the one of the main thing that I would like to say is the people question about the such kind of question that arises on LCHF is because they are so much addicted to carbohydrates and sugar. And there are many scientific evidence also available which very well prove that this carbohydrate and sugar addiction is no different from any other kind of addiction. If we generally speak about addiction, I think nobody would really like to be addicted to anything. But the truth is they don't want to accept this carbohydrate and sugar as an addiction in their life. So that's why they are so much hooked up with carb thing that they just prioritize their cravings over anything. So this success story of Sanjay Srivastava is going to give the answers of many of your questions. And even if the viewers have any question about or any doubt, they can also put it in the chat box and our experts will try to answer all of their questions. So I welcome Sanjay Srivastava. Sanjay, welcome to Day Life. And thank you so much for finding out the time to share your experience with us.
Thank you, Dr. Jasmeet. Very nice of you to have given me a chance. And like you rightly pointed out, is it okay? Like I'll be speaking in dual language, English and Hindi.
Yeah, it should be mixed, I think better.
Yes. So your first question, where people question the the basic that is LCHF relevant with Indian this thing? Are the ingredients available? How will I do it? It's simply the fear of the unknown,
Yeah.
because there's nobody sitting on the TV channel and sponsoring it that yes, LCHF is good for you.
Mhm.
So people have, I mean, as usual, people have the fear of the unknown and they do not, which is what happened to me 10 years ago also.
Mhm.
I mean, I just thought it is just another passing fad. You hear so many things, so many diets, so many these things. And सबसे बड़ी बात ये थी कि डॉक्टर तो दवाइयों पे ही चलते हैं।
Did not,
उनके
they never
पास हर
talk
एक
about.
सॉल्यूशन दवाइयाँ ही हैं।
Mhm.
दवाइयों के अलावा कोई और सॉल्यूशन वो दे नहीं सकते। दे नॉट ट्रेन्ड और प्रोग्राम्ड दैट वे। सो
Mhm.
दैट्स व्हाई दिस
This is
फियर इज क्वाइट कॉमन।
वही ना, अवेयरनेस होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कम अप विद such podcasts so that people should know about that. They can see the life stories in front of them.
Yes. Abhi, now coming back to our regular this thing, like I spent 25 years in India and 25 years I've spent outside India. Half my life at both the places. But wo jo pehle 25 years the, I mean, they have taken the toll which is now affecting me in this part of my life. And unfortunately, I've been hopping, skipping, jumping countries in the Middle Eastern region. So it becomes a challenge. and that basic motivation is difficult to get when you're alone.
Yes.
Alone in the sense that, like, okay, now we are like part of a group. You're there, all the D Life patrons are there, moderators who, help and, egg you along, push
Yeah.
you along to do certain things. But I mean, it's limited. You go to the office, you have, like, you're the only sore thumb out who's eating LCHF food. All the other people are eating totally something different. So it's a, a total change of the environment around you, which is not conducive कि हाँ LCHF किया जाए. So it takes a lot of,
Yeah, somebody just come
determination.
and tell you ki do LCHF, nobody can do na, until unless you know the fact
Nobody.
that how it is going to impact your health.
And you need to plan it out very well.
Yeah.
You need to plan it out. You just cannot go to a mall and buy these things.
Yes.
I mean, just yesterday I was just thinking about it कि 95% जो मॉल की चीज़ें हैं, they become redundant for you. You cannot touch it.
Yeah.
Once you decide to do LCHF, only 5% of the things kept on the shelves is of use to you.
Yeah, even nowadays, few years back, if I think there was nothing in the stores which was low carb or keto friendly. But nowadays, I've seen even industries coming up with the this low carb friendly stuffs also. The wonderful snacks and everything is available. But I don't think
Exactly.
so that these will be helpful in the long term for the people.
See, all this kind of LCHF, like for me, it's kind of becoming a normal. But in people's eyes, it is still considered कि ये बहुत elitist चीज़ है, बहुत expensive चीज़ है, और ये एक फिजूल का टाइम पास है, और ठीक है 2-4 महीने कर लो, उसके बाद वापस आ जाएंगे रोटी दाल चावल पे.
Actually, why not? Actually, whenever somebody start with LCHF and they come on D Life, the first question they ask that what they will eat. If they will not eat roti rice, then what they will eat. This is the reason that D Life has so many recipes. They have substitute for I think everything in
Yes,
terms of low
yes.
carb. But it depends on the person to person. No, somebody can make LCHF as simple as possible or make it complex. It depends on a person. So tell us about you, that how do you manage, because you are living alone and you are just by your own. The one of the main thing that I have seen, the people who don't get successful or behind the unsuccessful stories on LCHF, the main thing is the sustainability. And why they can't sustain, the main reason behind it is that they don't plan well. They went on and off on LCHF. And if only one person is responsible in their family to cook or to do the grocery and everything, and if that person doesn't understand the the benefits or the importance of LCHF, I think it is really impossible. But in your case, it is quite different. Right? You live by your own.
Yes,
So what do
yes,
you feel,
because
that is it more easy
I
in
mean,
your case?
yes, it was more easy to decide, because I don't have to convince anybody else other than myself.
Yeah.
अब मेरे फिगर्स को कन्विंस करने के लिए वो लास्ट रिपोर्ट्स जो मैंने आपको दी थी, उसके वो दैट वाज इनफ.
Yeah.
और दूसरा चक्कर क्या है, अब आपको आई हैव बीन हियर फॉर 2 years एंड इट टुक मी टाइम टू फिगर आउट कि कहाँ पे क्या मिलता है. मैं हिंदुस्तान से 20 किलो ही चीज़ लेकर आ सकता हूँ. अब स्पेशल सम थिंग्स जो यहाँ नहीं मिलने वाली हैं. बट फॉर्चुनेटली हमारा इंडियन कल्चर और बिजनेसमैन हर जगह फैले हुए हैं, तो ये इराक जैसी जगह में भी यू हैव स्टोर्स विच आर कीपिंग इंडियन स्टफ.
Yeah.
सो प्लस आई डू माई ओन कुकिंग. यूड बी मोस्ट सरप्राइज टू नो कि यहाँ पे एक रेस्टोरेंट भी खुला है जो कि कीटो और LCHF कंप्लाइंट खाना देता है. रेगुलर रेस्टोरेंट. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द पैंडेमिक वो खाली होम डिलीवरी करते हैं, बट येस दे आर डूइंग इट. सो it has moved out from that fad tag
Mm-hmm.
to something which is really going to happen.
Yeah.
अब मेरे लिए like, see, like if I'm in India, I have a daughter who's 12 years old and I have my father who's 86 years old. So उसके बीच में लेके adjust करके, and when for years you have eaten a particular diet, it becomes mental block. You're eating from here actually.
Mm-hmm.
तो जब तक ये कंट्रोल में नहीं आएगा माइंडसेट कि नहीं हमें करना है, सब कुछ बुरा लगेगा। ना बाजार में चीज़ें दिखेंगी, ना प्लेट पे खाना सही टेस्ट करेगा, कुछ भी नहीं होगा। नो
Okay.
मैटर हाउ वेल यू कुक, it's that thing that has to come from within, which is why. And plus मेरे सिचुएशन ऐसी थी कि because of my projects being located in the isolated and the remote places, you know, सहारा डेजर्ट के remote places, 700-800 किलोमीटर तक कुछ है ही नहीं। वहाँ पे जो मिल जाता था बस वही खा लो भाई। तो आई मीन चिकन और पटेटो के अलावा द थर्ड वेजिटेबल वॉज नॉट नोन। 4 महीने तक जब वहाँ रहो तो फिर खाली पटेटो या चिकन, दैट वॉज द होल लाइफ ऑल अबाउट। And you couldn't eat that chicken on and on and on because it was like without spices, without anything. अब उसको करने के लिए you need to have rice, normal, you know.
Okay, it would be better that before we get into the details or the experience, it would
Yes.
be you just mentioned to for our viewers. So when you first get diagnosed with the diabetes, and how did you get diagnosed? Was there any other symptom other than your blood sugar that you were suffering from related with your health? And
No, I think the diabetes, when it was diagnosed, was part of one of my regular, you know, when in our company, there was a regular checkup.
Mhm. Okay,
So, you know, it was detected in that.
okay.
And I was simply put on that metformin,
So
500
you started
mg.
with the metformin,
Yes, yes. And then, you
and
know,
then gradually it keep on increasing. You
yeah,
told me
it
that you
kept on
were
in.
the last medication that your doctor prescribed was as GLT-2 inhibitors,
Yes,
and then you get some
that
infection due to
exactly.
that. Mhm.
Yeah. So because of the high sugar, this thing, and like it was just getting very uncomfortable, you know. I mean, to be very honest, the numbers were not getting controlled.
Okay. So what was your initial
And
number, the highest number, or from where did you start
I
it?
think the highest number where I went was about 9.7 or something like that, 9.8.
Okay.
With all
With,
that heady
with all that.
cocktail of drugs.
Okay. Okay. So you were on medications at that time when you hit that highest number, 9.7.
Yes, yes, yes. Which
Okay.
is why I, you know, started somewhere in the back of my mind that, you
कुछ
know,
तो गड़बड़ है ना?
yes, I mean, this is not really going to work out. I mean, एक के बाद दूसरी मेडिसिन, दूसरे के बाद तीसरी मेडिसिन.
But
And,
nothing is
and
improving.
yes, and, you know,
And you
you
must be
start
feeling like
thinking,
hell, na? Mm-hmm.
yes, I mean, it was basically getting scarier.
Mm-hmm.
And whom can you talk about it? Nobody.
Yeah, of course. Even you can't
Yeah,
talk, you share with your family,
yeah.
they will just be stressed.
Do- the doctor wants to give you some new fresh medicine which has been, you know, researched by somebody. You go to his friend, he wants to cut up your stomach and do some surgery.
Yeah, you told me that your doctor recommended you the bariatric surgery as well, no?
Yes,
Because he
and his justification was that it is covered by insurance.
your package, yeah, insurance
I mean,
package.
that statement is still stuck in my mind कि just because वो insurance में covered है,
Mm-hmm.
you know, about $10,000-15,000, वो insurance में covered है तो मैं करवा लूँ।
बैरिएट्रिक सर्जरी तो
उसने
आपकी
ज़्यादा
सिचुएशन
टाइम,
वर्स्ट कर देती है.
वो बात अपनी जगह है, वो तो हमने अब एक उसकी डॉक्टर की ही एक पेशेंट से बात किया प्रॉब्ली अबाउट 1.5-2 साल बाद, तो वो इतनी बुरी कंडीशन में थी कि वो बताती थी कि वो दिन रात वॉमिट करती रहती है, खाना नहीं
You
खा
can't eat
पाती है,
anything.
और
हम्म.
it was like that girl was going through hell.
हाँ, वेट
And
तो रिड्यूस हो
plus,
जाता है. यू रिड्यूस वेट विद बैरिएट्रिक, बट जो साथ में
I think the quality of life
Hmm.
decreases drastically.
Yeah, right.
I think we are not just aiming for reduction of weight. I
Hmm.
mean, we're just trying to improve the
Of course,
quality of our lives.
whenever we go to doctor, we just want to increase the quality of our life. No?
But वो नहीं होता है.
Hmm.
They are not trained for that.
Yeah.
They are not
Actually,
trained for that.
they are paid to see the patients now. This is the reason. They are just paid
Exactly,
to see your
exactly.
patient.
They are, and
They
जहाँ
don't
मैं
have
रहता
time to
हूँ,
go and look into the research, what is going on.
हाँ, और जहाँ मैं रहता हूँ, वहाँ पे डॉक्टर is the frontline salesman who has to get business for the hospital.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay.
तो उसका पर्सपेक्टिव भी वही होता है. Even if he would send me to a dietitian is not going to talk about proteins, carbs,
Yeah, you
fats,
mentioned
and
that
things
your
like that.
doctor never talk about your food, but yes, he referred you to
Yes,
some dietitian. And
exactly.
could you please tell to our viewers that what kind of diet they prescribe to you in Iraq? I just want to see their perspective. That like in our case, LCHF, we are based on it is based on some scientific facts that how these macros, how carbohydrates, how protein, and how fat they act like an information when you feed it to your body and your body respond accordingly. I just want to know what perspective they people were having while they plan for your diet. They were just if they were based on like calories in calories out theory or what else and anything else.
Simple, simple. You got that right.
Okay.
ओके. आई रिमेंबर वो बताती है मुझे कि भाई आपका एक अकाउंट है, उसमें कैलोरीज इन होती हैं, कैलोरीज आउट होती हैं. अगर वो इक्वल नहीं होता है तो आप मोटे हो जाओगे.
Okay.
सिंपल सी बात. कोई आगे का एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं कि कैलोरीज किस तरह से आ रही हैं, कौन सी कैलोरीज एक्सेप्टेबल हैं, सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी क्या रखना ठीक रहेगा, है ना,
Mhm.
कि व्रत करके ही पड़े रहो, कैलोरी ज़ीरो हैं तो क्या लाइफ चलेगी. ये
Never.
सब कुछ नहीं. उनके पास एक प्रिंटेड पेपर होता है
Okay.
ड्रॉर में रखा हुआ, वो उठा के आपको पकड़ा देती हैं और बोलती हैं कि आप अगले हफ्ते हमें
Don't
फ़ोन पे
forget.
बताना कि कितना वेट कम हुआ. उसको और किसी चीज़ से मतलब नहीं है, वो बस ये जानना चाहती है कितना वेट कम हुआ, लेकिन तरीके नहीं बताएगी.
Mhm.
वो जस्ट अपना ये बता देगी कि हाँ ठीक है, आप 2 ऑमलेट खा लीजिए, ऑयल ख़त्म कर दीजिए, जो नॉर्मल जो मिथ्स और ये सब रहती हैं ना, वो सब हैं. बट दे नेवर टॉक अबाउट कि आपकी बॉडी को क्या एसेंशियली ज़रूरत है
Mhm.
और क्या चीज़ को अवॉइड करना है.
Mhm.
हाँ, आप सिट्रस फ्रूट्स खाइए,
Mhm.
बात खत्म हो गई. एज फार एज शी इज़ कंसर्न्ड, शी हैज़ गॉट सम सेट पैरामीटर्स और वो
Mhm.
उसी पे आपको वो करेगी.
And it's same for
She
all the
never goes
patients.
around. Yes. I
Mhm.
mean, believe me, I have been to doctors जिनसे माइक्रो एल्बुमिन और क्रिएटिनिन के लिए टेस्ट के लिए मुझे बोलना पड़ता है उनको, वरना HbA1c कराते रहते हैं बस.
Mhm.
आई मीन, प्रॉब्ली थैंक्स टू योर डी लाइफ कलीग्स, ये जो लास्ट मैंने आरोग्य एक्स करवाया है, ये
Mhm.
भी लाइक इतना डिटेल्ड शायद ही कभी मैंने करवाया है. नहीं
Mhm.
हुआ कभी, 10 साल में कभी किसी ने बोला भी नहीं, मांगा भी नहीं.
Mhm.
So it's a totally different thing. We have to mentally accept the fact that जो present system है for treating diabetes basically is not conducive. I have walked and walked and walked. बहुत
Mhm.
मैंने किया है. Okay, I didn't go to the gym because जिम नहीं मेरे समझ में आता है, बट आई हैव वॉक लॉट फॉर द एक्सरसाइज और वेट में
So
रिडक्शन कुछ
exercise
नहीं होता था.
exercise is important, but with exercise you improve your strength. It's
Yes,
not to reduce your weight.
stamina.
Hmm.
Stamina may have improved, but has nothing to do with weight reduction.
Yeah.
Weight reduction was not there, whereas my problem was to reduce the weight first.
Mhm. Because all your problems are due to your weight in your case.
Exactly, and I have got abdominal obesity.
Mhm.
Rest of my hands and everything, they are fine.
Okay.
So, and that too has started because earlier my career was that, going to the site and active lifestyle. Then suddenly I get a desk job. So खाना वही रह गया, intake remained the same kind of food, and ultimately, the body was, something was taking its toll. And once it's could not tolerate it, it started coming out in other forms like diabetes, hypertension, this, that. And the doctor had a medicine for everything.
Now, please,
डायबिटीज के लिए ये खा लो, हाइपरटेंशन के लिए
uh,
वो खा लो, इसके लिए वो खा लो.
when you started LCHF religiously, I think it was around 6 months back, or
4 months, four
four
to five.
months. So in
Yes.
4 months, you reduce your HbA1c, the average blood sugar, from 9.1 to 6.7. Is okay?
Yes. Yes.
And your weight?
My weight reduced from 108 maximum to now, like today morning, I was 98.
Okay, so it was a good
So
achievement.
about 10 kgs of loss in the last 3 months.
So if you keep on,
Because बिकॉज मैं इंडिया जब गया था 2 महीने पहले, तो
okay,
1.5 kg बढ़ा भी लिया था.
okay.
तो वो भी कट करना पड़ा, उतारना. सो अगर देखा जाए तो 108 से अबाउट 11 to 12 kgs रिड्यूस किया.
Okay.
एब्सोल्यूट फिगर में 10 किलो.
I think if you keep on moving on this path, so you will definitely be in the non-diabetic number in next 3 to 4 months. Because still you are not in non-diabetic range. You have to work
Yes,
harder.
of course. I
And
know.
even for the weight also, you have to.
Yes, but I think now my journey towards reducing the weight is gonna get a little tough because abhi tak this first 10 kgs was fine. I believe the next 10 kgs is gonna.
Oh, no. If you keep on going on this LCHF lifestyle, I don't think so there will be any issue. The only thing is, like, once the person get over his or her addictions, then there is no issue with the LCHF. That is the only problem that people can't sustain. So tell us about your cravings. Have you, get over all the cravings and anything?
Well, cravings and cheating, ये hand in hand चलता ही है. Okay, but let me tell you, I have also discovered that there are certain sort of sweet things and such things which are LCHF compliant, and they are sweet. So you can have it in moderation, like once a week or something. Friday छुट्टी सेलिब्रेट करनी है तो आप कर सकते हो.
Yeah. Once in a
But
while is okay, but you should not make it a part of your life. Even
no,
if
no,
it
no,
is
no, no.
LCHF, still these snacks, we on D Life, we never advocate for these LCHF snacks as well much. Because, one of the major
Yes.
reason behind this insulin resistant is like frequent eating. Everybody should avoid that part as well. Once
नहीं,
in a
frequent
while is
eating,
okay.
frequent eating was my issue.
Yeah.
Okay, ऑफिस में है, कुछ ना कुछ स्नैकिंग चलती रहती है, कोई ना कोई कुछ ना कुछ करता ही रहता है. But of recently 3-4 months, my office has been very supportive, and they've also kind of cut it down. Like today is the first working day after Eid, and they brought their sweets outside and they kept it there, and nobody came to offer me. They know it, so I hope it's going to work out.
But please
That's
tell
what I
me
said. I mean, थोड़ा कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट मिलता है. अब आप लोग टेलीफोनिक सपोर्ट दे रहे हो, हमारे स्टाफ यहाँ पे फिजिकल सपोर्ट दे रहा है, तो एंड थोड़ा सा अपना मोटिवेशन है कि हाँ भाई, आपने बोला 4 महीने 3 महीने में हो जाएगा. मैंने तो 6 महीने का टारगेट अपने को रखा था कि भाई 6 महीने तक तो बेसल इंसुलिन भी खत्म हो जाए तो बेटर है. तो
But you are
बिकॉज
now
क्या है,
completely off all the drugs. Now you are just on the basal insulin,
बेसल इंसुलिन एंड वंस अ डे मेटफॉर्मिन.
only metformin. Okay.
देखिए उसमें क्या है, आई एम अ लिटिल स्कैर्ड बिकॉज आई स्टे अलोन. आई एम स्कैर्ड ऑफ हाइपो. अकेला रहता हूँ, इट्स अ बिग अपार्टमेंट ब्लॉक, अगले दिन सवेरे दोपहर को पता लगेगा किसी को. तो आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट. तो yesterday in fact I got my this thing for the CGM. तो अब CGM आ गया है तो अब ज़्यादा इजी चलेगा. Like
But
I
you are
just
in
showed
touch with
before.
D life all the time, na?
I have been on and off in touch with D Life. D Life के साथ क्या है कि like again because of the remoted and isolated locations, internet and all that was an issue.
Okay.
This is like so, but at the end of the day, I was reading everything, wasn't able to really upload and things like that because of my honestly laziness. Abhi, like the latest reports, they've been there with me for 2 months. आपको मैंने 5 मिनट में भेज दिया, बट अब वो डी लाइफ में अपलोड करने के लिए आई हैव टू सिट ऑन माई लैपटॉप, गेट अराउंड टू इट एंड डू इट. सो दैट्स द ओनली थिंग.
Okay.
So
You want to say something?
yeah, I just want to say कि I mean everybody should don't take it as a give it a try types. It's not gonna work out.
But
And believe me, अगर
there
आज
should be some support system also, na, around you. That is important. Because what I know is in 2019 when you first joined D Life, at that time you could not sustain for much time. You just went on and off on LCHF.
Yes.
But now you have decided that you are going to, prioritize your health first. So could you please
Yes.
tell that how D Life helped you to come back on track?
See, I tell you, the answers and the responses that I get from D Life about anything, let it be, my blood pressure or some particular reading, you don't get from your doctors. It is probably for me the only unique source of explanations. I mean, for me to believe and trust, in fact, किसी के लिए भी बिलीव और ट्रस्ट करने के लिए ज़रूरी है कि कुछ उसको डेटा मिले, कुछ ये सब करे. फर्स्ट टाइम मैं डी लाइफ में जब मैंने लॉग इन किया था, सो आई वॉज लाइक जस्ट रोमिंग अराउंड एंडलेसली. कोई किसी चीज़ की बात कर रहा है, कोई किसी चीज़ की बात कर रहा है, कोई डिफरेंट एंजाइम्स के डिस्कशन चल रहे हैं, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था.
Actually, the main motive of providing all these scientific facts that we provide on D Life is because so that the people can trust, because we are not just talking about LCHF. There is something behind it that we have to educate the people
but-
about each and everything.
एब्सोल्युटली, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू माई एक्सपीरियंस. तो शुरू में मुझे लगा कि ये पता नहीं बहुत ये कुछ हाई फंडा चीज़ है, अपने काम की नहीं है, अपने बस की नहीं है, अपने बस की नहीं है, काम की है नहीं है, ये तो समझ में ही नहीं आया. आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू.
Okay.
फिर क्या हुआ, धीरे धीरे आई मीन हमने बोला कि चलो अब ये लोग कुछ बात कर रहे हैं तो देखो, एक दो थ्रेड्स को कुछ इंटरेस्ट समझ में आया तो उन थ्रेड्स को वॉच करने लगे, डिस्कस करने लगे, खुद अपना डिस्कशन किया. एक सवाल पूछता था, 4 जन जवाब देते थे.
Yeah.
नहीं,
Because
आप
it's
ऐसा
a
नहीं
team.
करो, आप ऐसा करो. और आप ऐसा करो के साथ एक्सप्लेनेशन था कि तुम्हारा ये ज़्यादा है, ये कम है, इसलिए इसको इग्नोर करो और इस चीज़ को ध्यान दो. तो उस तरह का एनालिसिस कोई नहीं करके देने वाला था.
Yes.
किसी ने नहीं दिया, मेरे को
But
नहीं
yeah.
दिया 10-12 साल में. वही चीज करके देन आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग द दिस अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि यार द गाइज नो देयर स्टफ व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग.
And they have answer for
But-
each and everything.
Yes, but then at the back of the mind it was a conflict
Okay.
कि तुम्हारा वो डॉक्टर तो ये कह रहा था यार. You understand? I'm sure this must have happened with
It's a human nature.
everybody. That the whole world was one side and D life is अकेला on the other side. अब वो फिर that motivation and then something came कि I mean why are these guys just doing it? I mean I understand why the doctor is doing it, but I couldn't find a motivation other than a social cause in LCHF, in D life. So obviously then, slowly the scales started tilting towards D-Life. So that process itself took time.
Okay.
एंड देन टू फाइंड द मोटिवेशन कि हाँ भाई जाके ये इंग्रेडिएंट खरीदो, कौन सी जगह में असली मिलेगा, कौन सी जगह में प्योर मिलेगा, ऑल दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, बिकॉज देयर वाज नथिंग लाइक कि ओके पतंजलि का आटा खरीद लो जाके कहीं से भी, it wasn't as easy as that. So as I said, a lot of planning was required, and especially क्या होता था कि if you stay quiet for a long time now, then somebody would come and egg you. What happened?
Yeah, of course.
What are your numbers? What is your weight? What are you doing? How many steps did you do yesterday? All those kind of things on and off kept coming.
Yeah,
So
this is a part of the motivation, na?
exactly, and believe me, it works. It works, and especially when you're sitting on the fence, this is what helps you decide
You know somebody is
and take a
watching you.
decision.
Yeah?
एग्जैक्टली तो कुछ नहीं होता. प्लस क्या होता है कि अब ऐसा लगता है कि लाइक एक एप्रिसिएशन आता है तो दैट वर्क्स टू डबल योर मोटिवेशन. एंड आई मीन लाइक आई सेड, आई हैव सीन दिस 10 kgs लॉस ऑफ वेट, टोटल रिडक्शन 12 kgs इंक्लूडिंग 1.5 kgs जो मैं बढ़ा लिया था. सो फाइन, इट वर्क्स, दैट्स इट. वो बोलते हैं ना कि आंखों देखा है, तो अभी आई एम फॉर ऑल फॉर इट. यस, इट्स अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. मतलब मैंने D-Life के पहले कभी कोकोनट ऑयल को कॉफ़ी के साथ नहीं सोचा था, बट बाद में देखा आधी दुनिया भी और वो कर रही है.
But it's not, for everybody. For some people it is good. For some people we see
no.
it's a
फॉर मी
yeah.
इट वॉज एन अवेकनिंग
Yeah.
कि भाई ऐसे भी कॉफ़ी पी जा सकती है. 30-40 ईयर्स से तो कॉफ़ी चीनी और कॉफ़ी और दूध मिलाकर ही बनाई जाती थी ना
Yeah.
घर पे. तो फिर निकली एक एक करके दो करके चीज़ें, एंड देन द जर्नी स्टार्टेड. आई वुडंट से इट टुक ऑफ लाइक अ रॉकेट. इट टुक मी
And
टाइम.
gradually ये तो धीरे धीरे
Yes.
होता है. Actually, if you
Yes.
suddenly just put pressure on your body and you just change all your meals suddenly, it doesn't work. It never works. So that's why
Exactly.
we do everything
I mean-
step by step.
Exactly. And I mean, I'm sure, like, okay, I stay away from my family at the moment, but I mean, this journey would have become a little more easier if they would have been around.
Yeah.
And in fact, my wife is also listening to this podcast, and she's also probably going to get into this.
Yeah.
And I'm sure, because I mean, I'm doing it, I'm seeing it.
Because LCHF works for almost most of the people. It doesn't mean that if you have any health issue, even if you want to prevent anything, then also LCHF as a lifestyle is
Of course, of course. I mean, I would go to the point of saying that, I mean, if you just have to eat, why don't you just eat the proper stuff? Okay, you have your D-Life, my friends are there who will tweak the entire thing. Like you said, I mean, everybody's needs for fats, proteins, and carbs is different. So based on the tests and interactions and discussions and the lifestyle, that can be changed. But you see, the point is, D-Life makes you understand the basis. Why you don't need carbs, or why you need proteins, or why you don't need fats. Like, I don't need fat probably. I need to be a little low on the flats to
because-
control my weight. So, I mean, all those, adjustments and course corrections happen here. Because doctor would probably has only 10 to 15 minutes to spare for you, where he just sees your last report and checks the A1C or something and increases the dose, or throws out that medicine saying that it's no good, I have a new medicine. So now start eating that. And you become a laboratory rat. basically.
Okay,
So,
could you please tell to our viewers about what other changes have you noticed in terms of your health after you shifted to LCHF within this 3 to 4 months, or any biomarkers have improved or something?
see, because of my obesity, I was also suffering from sleep apnea.
Okay.
And I would normally wake up at least minimum 2 बार रात को
Okay.
to go to the bathroom.
Mhm.
Abhi, like for the last 2 months, I sleep straight
Mhm.
6 to 7 hours.
Great.
I mean, उसके पहले आई एम सेइंग 4-5 साल पहले इतना सिचुएशन खराब रहता था कि लाइक आई मीन आई हैव टू रश to the bathrooms in the morning or whatever time. So अब वो अर्जेंसी टाइप की खत्म हो गई है.
That must be
That's
due
not
to your
there.
medications that you were on.
maybe I don't know, but
Might
अब वो
be.
मेडिकेशंस खत्म हो गई. देखिए, दो चीज हुई हैं. एक तो मेडिकेशन खत्म हो गई है, दूसरी तरफ वेट कम हुआ है. So probably the body is fighting back. But अभी वो इस पोजीशन में नहीं है कि they are full scale, because they are still expecting those medications somewhere, or that withdrawal of
It take
carbohydrates
times
from
to
the
adapt, na?
exactly the withdrawal of the carbs from my diet. बॉडी उसको भी एडजस्ट करने वो कर रही है.
हाँ,
लाइक
time लगेगा.
आई मीन आई it's become different,
Once you're fully adapted, you will see, na. Then you.
एग्जैक्टली. मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि प्लानिंग की बहुत ज़रूरत होती है. और ये एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी मालूम होनी चाहिए कि भाई अगर आप LCHF में जाएंगे तो आपको ये चेंजेस होने वाले हैं. बट डोंट वरी,
But still you feel
लाइक आई हैव
rewarding.
बीन. हाँ,
But
सॉरी.
still you are feeling some rewarding or not after shifting to
हाँ
LCHF?
हाँ, क्यों नहीं, ऑफ कोर्स, ऑफ कोर्स. आई मीन देखो, गेटिंग आउट ऑफ द 3 bolus insulins, taking Humalog or Novo Rapid 3 times a day, सबसे बड़ी चीज तो वो हट गई है. आई डोंट हैव टू कैरी द पेन एनी मोर. एक मेटफॉर्मिन खानी है, सवेरे खा लो, रात को खा लो, दोपहर को कभी भी खा लो. और एक बेसल इंसुलिन है, वो भी मैं इसलिए लिए हुए हूँ कि भाई पता नहीं अभी क्या है. वो आई नीड टू डिस्कस सेपरेटली विथ माई D-Life कोलीग्स एंड चेक विद देम कि भाई अब ये सिचुएशन के बाद अब क्या कोर्स करेक्शन करना है. बोलस इंसुलिन तो मैंने अपने आप निकाल दी बिकॉज इट वॉज गोइंग हाइपो.
Okay.
दैट आई इतना मेरे को समझ में भी आ जाता था. बट बेसल को कैसे वो करना है हैंडल.
So we have experts for that as well. Who are
एग्जैक्टली
experts on
एग्जैक्टली, आई
insulin.
नो
So
इट.
they will
हाँ
guide
हाँ,
you. Don't worry about
हो
that.
जाएगा हो जाएगा. प्रॉब्ली ये हफ्ते में मैं उसमें भी अब नाउ एडजस्टमेंट्स करना शुरू करूँगा, एक टेस्ट करवा के. सो आई मीन सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि वेट रिडक्शन करते कि सोचते सोचते बचपन से बड़े हो गए और ये बढ़ता ही गया, कभी रिवर्स नहीं हुआ.
First time
पहली
you are
बार रिवर्स हो रहा है. दैट इज एनफ फॉर मी. सिंपल एज दैट.
okay. But how do
Simple
you
as that.
manage on
I
your
mean-
business meeting? Because you told me that you often go to some business meeting, or you have some backup plan for that as well.
You mean snacking during the business meetings?
Yeah, like do you plan something prior?
नहीं, देखिए उसमें क्या है कि फेस टू फेस. 1 सेकेंड,
Yeah.
1 मिनट जरा प्लीज.
Okay, okay.
1 minute. सॉरी,
That's it. Fine.
ऑफिस है तो कभी कभी अर्जेंट आ जाता है. सी one of the fallouts of this COVID is that face-to-face meetings are very less, okay, and especially those long drawn-out conferences. But ever since my department colleagues have realized that I'm trying to do this, one of my colleagues is also into uh, this kind of a low-carb diet, and so she arranges to get a couple of things which are there, and plus that that mental block I have developed now, that you don't have to snack, probably just have a coffee, that's it, finish it. I mean, I was never into soft drinks, I was never into fruit juices and things like that, okay. And yes, as you said, with the coffee the snacks were considered mandatory. It never registered in the mind that the snacks are optional. You can just pick up your coffee and go.
Yeah. And I
Not
think that low
necessary.
carb, high fat meal will make you so much full that you can't even think of eating something in between the meals. Is it?
Exactly,
Mm-hmm.
exactly. I mean, finally you get around to question yourself that is this piece of biscuit or this cookie, is it important enough? I mean, you can avoid it, no? You've had it for 55 years.
Mm-hmm.
So why not just give it a go?
So intuitive eating is important. You must, try to figure out if it is just a craving or a hunger.
एग्जैक्टली वो देखिए जसमीत जी, वो वांट और नीड,
Mm-hmm.
इसका फर्क है
Mm-hmm. Yes, you are
बस।
right.
ये वांट और नीड का फर्क अगर हम
समझ
देख
में आ
लें
जाए.
तो
Mm-hmm.
एलसीएचएफ बहुत इजी हो जाता है, बहुत इजी हो जाता है।
I would say that you are really an inspiration for many people. People make excuses that, they can't sustain, but a person like you who's
नहीं
living
नहीं
by
नहीं
you, yeah, you are,
नहीं,
if
उसमें
you can,
देखिए सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है, लोग को ये समझ में आता है कि रोटी हमारे लिए हमारी नीड है, बट नहीं है ऐसा। अब इसका बेसिस सिंपल ये है कि हिंदुस्तान में हर रहने वाला पीढ़ियों दर पीढ़ी रोटी ही खाता आया है, बट वो बाकी चीज़ें नहीं चेंज हो रहा है, वो नहीं देख रहा कि टीवी आया है, मोबाइल फ़ोन आया है और कार आ गई है।
and so much processed carbohydrates, जो पहले
एग्जैक्टली,
कभी नहीं था.
एग्जैक्टली। और वो भी हमको कहीं और से मिला है
Hmm. Of course,
डोनेशन में, ये
food
हमारी ज़ात नहीं
industries.
है। हमने हमने
Hmm.
इतनी बुद्धि नहीं लगाई थी कि भाई इसको ऐसे ऐसे प्रोसेस करके हम 4 गुना पैसा कमा सकते हैं।
Hmm. Because जब प्रोसेस कर देते हो ना, then you can't feel full ना, you just want more.
Exactly, exactly. It's like you know, some kind of a drug for you.
Hmm.
Chocolates, ये highly processed
अब आप 2 अंडे
sugars.
खाएंगे तो you will feel satisfied. अगर 2 पूरी खाएंगे तो आपको तीसरी चाहिए ना. कितना,
Exactly.
it's a difference.
Ex- I mean, people are so surprised. जैसे अगर मैं साइट पे जाना होता है तो मैं 6 अंडे बॉईल करके रख लिए,
Mm-hmm.
मेरा तो काम हो गया दिन भर का।
Yeah.
मुझे उसके बाद पानी मिले बस, मेरा काम हो गया।
Yeah. Eggs are the best substitute for people, I think.
तो तो इतनी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, मतलब क्या कहें, दिमाग की खिड़की जब खुलेगी
Yeah, even for
तो अपने
vegetarians
आप
also,
दिखने
there are
लगेंगी
many
ये सारी चीजें।
substitutes available there, but just they have to focus.
ऑफ कोर्स, एग्जैक्टली, एग्जैक्टली। देयर आर थिंग्स आउट देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर आईज बट यू कैन नॉट आइडेंटिफाई देम।
Mm-hmm.
This is where D Life helps you identify that. D Life is not cooking anything. D Life is not farming anything.
Yeah.
डी लाइफ इज जस्ट हेल्पिंग यू, आपका चेहरा टर्न करके वो दिखा देता है कि देखो वो भी चीज़ तुम खा सकते हो,
Yeah, right.
ये नहीं खाओ तो वो खा लो।
Mm-hmm.
द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज इन LCHF, you don't have to go hungry.
Mm-hmm.
The dietitians make you go hungry, which leads to cheating, and then that nullifies all the effects.
Yeah, never works. Mm.
That's why I know, because you cannot go hungry. You cannot
Yeah,
go
of
hungry.
course.
You can do it for a day or two.
Mm-hmm.
You can do it for 5 days if you're doing it as a favor. अनशन कर रहे हो कहीं पे बैठ के तो,
Mm-hmm.
बट अपने लिए नहीं कर सकते। भूखा नहीं रह सकता इंसान। LCHF से सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट ये है, खाओ, सब कुछ खाओ। वो ठीक है, इनिशियली इट लुक्स डिफिकल्ट कि हाउ कैन यू जस्ट हैव ओनली सो मच ऑफ दिस एंड योर एनफ, एवरीथिंग इज एनफ, बट बिलीव मी इट जस्ट टेक्स अ वे, वीक to get into it.
Yeah.
Then you don't want to have anything more. And I remember somebody told me this before also, that your sleep and your hunger can be increased or decreased as much as you want.
Yeah, it's in your own hand.
Exactly, it's in our own
Carbohydrates,
hands.
carbohydrates, they are addiction. So उससे आप कभी भी आप fulfill नहीं हो सकते.
ज़्यादा खाते रहो.
Always want more.
Exactly, that's why you can never stop. लेस का चिप आप पैकेट खोलिए, आधा पैकेट कभी नहीं रखा रहता है, पूरा पैकेट खाली होता ही है।
Yeah, that's a fact, ना।
और आप LCHF की चीज़ें खाइए, आप उनके पराठे हैं, उनके सभी चीज़ हैं।
Yeah, everything is there.
But you know how much you will take and it fills you up. Just wait for 5 minutes after the last bite.
Yeah.
You get filled up.
You have to wait. This
exactly. So it's easy, but it's all over here.
Yeah.
Thoda, you need to just open up your vision.
So one message that you would like to give to the viewers to be sustained on this kind of diet.
First of all, believe in yourself. Because till you do not believe in yourself and your decisions, you will keep getting diverted what you see in the TV, what your neighbor tells you, and what somebody else will come and tell you. Just believe and trust your judgment. Don't get to out of so much of this thing, because it's all about your health. If you're convinced that you need to lead a healthy life, you need to do something like LCHF. How to do it is where DLife comes in. Simple as that. But the basic thing is you need to believe in yourself. Yeah. Get committed to your health. DLife is just a, kind of a vehicle. It's a vehicle. Just takes you from there to there.
Yeah.
I mean, from being non-healthy to being healthy. They are just a taxi. You ride on it, reach there, and you have achieved your goal.
Yeah.
Yes. But be decided. Don't get off halfway.
Yeah.
Or don't ask the taxi to turn back. Be convinced that yes, you need a healthy life. You need to probably add 5-10 years to your life. Go for it. Go for it. Believe me. It's not at all difficult. It's not at all difficult. Even with people living with families, I would say, if you can start practicing it, no problem. It's not going to harm you at all.
Yeah.
It's going to take care of your body for you, which guaranteed no medical science does. They do not take care of your body. They just take care of the symptoms of the disease. This is what I have to say. I hope this thing comes.
Yeah. So I would say, Sanjay ji, you are really an inspiration for many people, I think. People after listening to you definitely would try to, at least they will initiate a first step in their life towards this LCHF way of eating. So thank you so much. So if you have some few minutes, can we, ask our viewers to, if they have some questions to you, if you have some time, then it's okay. Otherwise,
Sure. No problem.
Ji, would you like to?
No problem.
So everyone is unmute, so they can ask questions if they want.
Okay. Because in chat box also I don't see any question. So
yeah,
I don't think so that people.
So Sanjay ji, I'm just asking something which I may have not heard properly or missed out. What was your HbA1c before and what is your HbA1c now?
See, my
before
peak
starting,
HbA1c My peak was 9.8 or 9.7
Fine. So the latest was
is 6.7.
fine, fine. So six. So between these two, which are the medications you have stopped?
Okay, I stopped the cholesterol drug.
Okay,
No, in fact, cholesterol drug I gave it up about 1 year
that's
ago.
okay. Which diabetes medicine you stopped?
Metformin half.
Okay,
Okay, now I just take only 1 gram once a day. Uh, 45 units of Humalog, that is
okay,
bolus,
okay,
split into 15, 15, 15 before each of the meals. And there was one something for hypertension. I don't remember that medicine. And I was given aspirin also. So
okay, fine.
at this point of time, I just continue with the basal and 1 gram metformin.
Okay, so net it is like this that your HbA1c whatever level it was maybe above 9, it has come to 6 point something, and then you have
Yes,
stopped the bolus insulin and you have
yes,
reduced metformin by half. You also stopped some antihypertensive also, some anti blood pressure medicine also.
yes, yes. There was a
Okay, okay.
hypertension
So you are normal now.
something.
Your blood pressure is normal.
Yes, it remains about 90 140,
Okay, fine, fine.
which, like,
Okay.
I know it's not going to become 80 120 overnight.
No, no, but
So,
with LCHF, you will see the changes.
It will
yes,
come
I'm
down.
waiting for
It will
that.
come down.
Haji, I'm
Mm-hmm.
waiting for that only.
Mm-hmm.
कि
So as your
थोड़ा
as
सा
your as your weight goes down
Yeah.
and
जी.
as you stick on it, it will normalize. It will come to around 130 by 80 85.
Mm-hmm.
There's no issue. Which is perfectly fine. And thank you.
देखिए उसमें
Thank you,
क्या था,
Sanjay.
एक पैरामीटर आई वांटेड टू जस्ट शेयर वाज माय पल्स हैज ऑलवेज बीन प्रीटी हाई, यू नो, पिछले 5-10 साल में माय पल्स नॉर्मल रेस्टिंग पल्स इज अबाउट 110 115 and for the last 3 months वो I have that SpO2 meter, so ज़्यादा easily I have been able to check. It has been in the range of 90 95 90 95, so the pulse has also reduced.
The high insulin level in our body is also responsible for the high pulse rate. So normally we don't recognize this. So probably that bolus insulin which you were taking was
हाँ.
also causing this high pulse rate, because in insulin resistant population who secrete a lot of insulin, so high pulse rate is normally observed, and this was the same in my case also. So prior to
अच्छा.
LCHF, my pulse rate was just racing 90, 95 or even 100, which is just
नहीं.
now normal around 70, 75 max. So this is something which is unrecognized. The moment pulse goes up, there could be two issues. One is high insulin level and another is magnesium deficiency. This is one of the two reasons possibility. There are various other reasons. So thank you Sanjay ji. Thank you.
वेलकम वेलकम जी.
संजय जी, दिस इज अरुण.
हाँ, यस अरुण
चलो
साहब
यार,
बताइए.
एक सजेशन आपको ये देना था कि जब आप पल्स रेट और चेक करते हो तो आपका
जी.
ऑक्सीजन लेवल कितना पे रहता है, ये चेक किया?
मेरा ऑक्सीजन लेवल 95 टू 96 के आसपास रहता है.
आपको मैं सजेशन दूंगा कि आप लंग्स एक्सरसाइज करो. लंग्स एक्सरसाइज विल फोर्स योर हार्ट कि कम पंपिंग में भी ज्यादा वो ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई करे. पल्स रेट क्यों ज्यादा होता है? योर हार्ट इज नॉट एबल टू सप्लाई
Lack of
प्रॉपर्ली,
oxygen.
सो दे हैव टू बीट मोर. तो वहां पे आपका ऑक्सीजन थोड़ा, जब आपका लंग्स एक्सरसाइज करेंगे ऑक्सीजन बढ़ेगा
जी.
तो पल्स रेट में थोड़ा उसका इफेक्ट आएगा. आप दोनों एक ही मीटर में है, यू कैन कंपेयर.
Okay.
आप देख सकते हो उसको. ठीक है. ऐसे संजय
है
जी,
जी.
बहुत अच्छा आपका पॉडकास्ट था, बहुत ही मोटिवेशनल था.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू जसमीत ऑल्सो,
Thank you,
इट
जी.
इज वेरी मोटिवेशनल.
Thank you so much, Arun.
ओके.
Okay. I think no
So
more
Jasmeet,
questions.
if you want, you can just end it.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank
Okay.
you, Sanjay ji.
Thank you, Jasmeet ji.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, all of you at D Life. Okay,
Thank
it was
you,
very
everyone.
nice of you to give me a chance to share my story.
Yeah, it's very
And
inspiring.
as a personal pointer, now I have to live up to everything that I've told you.
Of course,
Okay,
you have to.
okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you very
bye.
much.
Thank you
Bye.
so
Bye
much.
bye.
Thank you.
Bye.